Hi, welcome to the tutorial video on Basecamp. This is a short tutorial video containing some vital instructions that will go a long way in helping students use Basecamp. The main purpose of this video is to provide a guideline for using Basecamp. Our audience is mainly business students who work regularly on different projects assigned to them. This video introduces them to a new app which can make project handling much more simple to them from next time.
Before you start using Basecamp, you need to open an account. Here, you can see that you can either go for subscription, which is free for teachers and students, or you can start a trial version of 30 days to see if this app fits you. To start the trial version, you need to go to basecamp.com. You can put your email address in here, or you can use your Gmail account to start your trial version. Once you have verified your account, you should be able to log into an interface which looks something like this. To create your team, go to Homepage by clicking this button, and then click the New Team button to start creating your team. Put your team's name and then click Save. There you go, you have your team. Now if you want to rename your team or delete it, click this line. And from here, you can rename your team or delete this team. Now that you have created your team, it's time to add some members. Click on your team and you should arrive on a page that looks like this. Put the person's name, his email address, the position you're assigning him to, and your company's name, and click Send Invitation. After the person has accepted your invitation, he should become a member of your team, and you can work collaboratively with him on your project. From the home screen, you can create a new project. To do this, click this plus button and name your project. Then click Save. There you go. Here's your new project. Now to rename your project or delete it, click this line. Now you can rename your project or delete it or pin this project if this is really important to you. If you want to add members to your project, click on your project and you will arrive on this page. Now if you want to add someone who isn't in your company, you will have to invite them by putting in their details here. Or if you want to add someone who is already in your company, you will have to just select this option and click your company name. Then just send the invitation. Once they have accepted your invitation, you can work together with them on this project.
Now suppose you have accidentally deleted your project or team. Don't worry, you can get it back. To restore your team or project, go to Homepage and scroll down to the bottom. Select See Deleted Teams and Projects. Your team or project will remain in the crashed item for 25 days. Now to restore this, click your team and click Restore this team. Your team has been restored. Now, suppose you want to edit your team. How do you do it? Go to Homepage and then click on the top right corner of your team's window. You can either pin your team or rename this team or archive or delete it. To archive or delete it, click this. Now, if you archive it, it will make sure that it doesn't get deleted, but it doesn't also show up on your home screen. And to delete it, put it in the trash. Basecamp has a really special feature called automatic check-in. You can use this to send specific messages to your team members automatically on a daily basis. This makes your work really efficient. To start using this, click the icon and then click Set up automatic check-in. Now type in the question you want to ask. For now on, we'll write what work did you do today, and then select who do you want to ask. And then you have to select how often do you want to ask. Let's go for daily basis except the weekends. And then you need to select what time of the day do you want to ask this question. Then select end of the day. And then select start collecting the answers. There you go. From now on, at 4:30 every day, you can ask this question to your team members. You can use Basecamp to create a schedule of your project. To do this, from your project's homepage, click Schedule and then click Add another event. Now you have to name the event and then select the duration. You can either go for all-day meeting or you can select a definite time frame. Once you're done with this, you have to select the people who you want in your meeting. And then here you can add some notes on the meeting or attach a document or agendas for the meeting. Once you're ready, click Post this event. There you go. You have your schedule. You can use Basecamp to create a to-do list for your project. To do this, go to the project's homepage and click To-Dos. And then name your list and then click Add this list. Now name the tasks. And then you can select whom do you want to assign this task to. And then you can select a durability or a deadline. And then click Add this to do. Now, there is also a very useful option called generating public links. To do this, click the line and then click Get a public link. And click Generate a shareable public link. Using this link, people who are not in Basecamp can also view this to-do list. One of the other options of your project's menu is Campfire. This is a fun way to chat with your friends and share your ideas. To do this, click Campfire and start typing your messages here. For example, let's do a survey on our team product tomorrow and click Enter. Your message has been sent. You can also attach pictures or documents if you want to, using this icon. Now, you can see how many people and who are following this chat box. To do this, click this digit. This will show you how many people and who are following this chat box. The message board is a much more formal way of speaking with your teammates than Campfire. It works just like an email. You can either post announcements or request information about your company using this. To start using this, click Message Board and then click Post a Message. put the heading here and the message body in here. Now, you can definitely format your text using these icons. You can either make it bold or italic, or you can put bullet points to represent your message. Once you're ready, you can either save it as a draft or post this message. There you go, your message has been sent.